For this practice, we're going to do a version of what's called mindful eating. We're going to be using a raisin in this exercise. So if you have access to a raisin, go ahead and grab that and let's begin. So hold your raisin in your hand on your open palm or between two fingers, and you'll use every one of your senses to observe and examine the raisin. Allow this practice to be very slow, noticing and resisting the urge to rush. Begin with carefully observing the raisin with your eyes. Notice its shape, its color, the patterns of light reflecting on its surface. Notice some surfaces that are shiny and others that are not. Pay attention to any thoughts or feelings that arise as you examine this raisin. Notice the thoughts or feelings, acknowledge them, and let them be. Gently return your attention back to the raisin and just noticing. Now, using your sense of touch, explore the raisin with two fingers. It may be helpful to close your eyes to do this, noticing the texture, places where it feels soft, places where it feels hard and smooth and rough. Notice its hills and crevices and the way that it feels in your fingers. Again, notice any thoughts or feelings that arise as you explore the texture of the raisin. Acknowledge them, but gently return your focus back to the raisin and the sensations of touch. Now, lift your raisin to your ear, noticing any sensations of your arm lifting. Hold the raisin just outside your ear, but don't put it in your ear, and roll it around between your two fingers, pressing gently on the raisin, and notice any soft sounds that the raisin makes under the pressure of your fingers. If you notice any thoughts or feelings, questions or memories evoked by this process, thoughts about the rest of your day, or moments of doubt as to what the purpose is of this that you're doing, or if your mind just wanders off somewhere else, notice that and gently bring your attention back to the raisin. Now slowly bring the raisin to your nose and breathe in its scent as best as possible. Take a few slow, smooth breaths in. What do you notice? What's your reaction to the aroma that you breathe in? If you notice thoughts, feelings, or judgments, just notice them and return your attention to the smell of the raisin. Finally, place the raisin in your mouth without biting into it. Just let it stay on your tongue for a few moments. Notice the initial taste sensation. Explore the texture of the raisin with your tongue. How does the texture feel to you now? Is it similar or any way different than the texture you notice with your fingers? Now take one slow bite into the raisin, just one. Notice the taste of that one bite, the sensations of your teeth biting into the raisin, and notice any urge to continue biting into the raisin, any urge to rush. Now continue exploring the raisin with your tongue. How has it changed since you've last bit into it? Now continue to slowly chew the raisin very, very slowly, noticing all the sensations as you're chewing. Taste, texture, shape, the movement of your jaw, any thoughts or feelings that arise. Swallow the raisin once there's nothing left to chew, and stay with the sensations in your mouth. What's different now? Stay with those sensations for as long as you wish, and whenever you're ready, return your awareness to everything else around you.